Here we have two award 6-inch woofers and a center channel speaker box. So in today's video, I will be assembling a 5-channel speakers using these award 6-inch woofer and a 3-inch tweeter from a brand called SIG. I have already assembled the front, left, right and the two surround speakers. The rest is only the center speaker. So I have something to show you about the difference in between the award speaker and the type of speakers that I have shown in this channel in my previous videos. I have used 6-inch power tone for a customer who asked me to build a 5-channel speakers at a budget level or at a minimum budget level, and now this award woofer is something different from all those woofers. This is not a brand new type of woofer. It is already available in the market, but the price is a bit higher than those speakers. A bit higher means it is almost double the price. So after a long time, I'm creating a video on this channel, Alienz Audio. Welcome back to all of you. So here, let us unbox this award 6-inch woofer. Nice, and this will become an average budget type speakers. It will cost almost totally for 5-channel speakers. It will cost around 15,000 something for 5-channel speakers. This center channel will occupy 2 drivers, so it will become 3,000 plus 1,000 something plus tweeter plus damping material plus crossover plus my service. So you can calculate why 15,000. Now this is the speaker box for center channel, and it's a default type of speaker box, but for a premium type, this type of speakers are made for center channels. So let us fix the speakers inside and we will check the difference in bass. The main thing that we experience in the performance will be the bass, the improved bass experience. I will be connecting these two woofers in series with this tweeter in parallel. There is a point that I have told you before. The problem is, you can see I have glued here at the area where the wire is being soldered, the terminal. I have glued it here. You know why? I'll show you with this G-Tech tweeter. So you can see a passage through this area right to the front, right to the diaphragm. The problem is you can hear a type of vibration or a type of chuffing sound. Here there's a hole. That's not a hole, it's a passage where the terminal is connected to the coil. The passage is directly going to the back side of the diaphragm. So while there's a pressure inside the speaker box, when it is mainly when it is a sealed box, this is a sealed box, and when the pressure develops, the air used to push the diaphragm upward, and there is a sound like pluck, pluck. Such a sound is coming from the tweeter. So I tried by gluing this area and the problem is gone. And the next issue is, if we are using a speaker terminal that is budget type, it looks like this, and the point where we connect the terminal is just like a clip. There you can see, while we press the clip, there's a passage for the air to flow out and in and out, and that's also creating noise that will directly affect the sound quality. I just glued that area also for the 5-channel speaker terminal, and here also I have added the gasket tape around so that it will press nicely and make it sealed. So I'll be right back after connecting these speakers and we will test the comparison. So this is the appearance of the speaker after finishing. So these two are the front channel speakers, these two are the left and right surround speakers, and the center. Now let us play some NCS music and check the playback. Now let us try to compare my previous video that I made a low budget speaker system with this speaker, these woofers. So, what's your opinion about the performance? I'm expecting your comments about the performance. For the box itself, it will cost around 5,200, and the rest is speakers per speaker 1,500 and 350 around the tweeter, damping material, speaker terminal, wire, accessories, screws, fittings, and the service. That is the cost of the speaker, whole 5-channel speaker system. And we need a subwoofer also. A 12-inch or 10-inch subwoofer will be a best match. For that we can select Pioneer, JBL Stage. Such subwoofers will be a best match for a theater setup, a budget type, a low budget theater system. I have made a 5-channel speaker same like this without this tweeter using JBL coaxial speaker. You can watch it here.